Welcome to our English class. I am introduced to you, Assistant Teacher, Rangpur Jilla School. Today our lesson is Class 7 English for today, Unit 9 Climate Change, Lesson 3 The Greenhouse Effect. From this lesson you will be able to read and understand text, fill in the blanks, talk about climate and environment. Write a short paragraph. The planet is warming from North Pole to South Pole. Since 1906, the global average surface temperature has increased by more than 1.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat is melting glaciers and sea ice, shifting precipitation patterns, and setting animals on the move. Many people think of global warming and climate change as synonyms, but scientists prefer to use climate change when describing the complex shifts now affecting our planet's weather and climate systems. Climate change encompasses not only rising average temperatures but also extreme weather events, shifting wildlife populations and habitats, rising seas, and a range of other impacts. All of these changes are emerging as humans continue to add heat trapping greenhouse gases to the environment. Greenhouse, you can see a picture of a greenhouse. A greenhouse, also called a glass house, or if with sufficient heating, a hot house, is a structure with walls and roof made chiefly of transparent material such as glass, in which plants requiring regulated climate conditions are grown. These structures range in size from small sheds of industrial-sized buildings. A miniature greenhouse is known as a cold frame. The interior of a greenhouse exposed to sunlight becomes significantly warmer than the external temperature, protecting its contents in cold weather. Now some word meaning for you. The first is trap, a device or enclosure designed to catch and retain animals, typically by allowing entry but not exit, or by catching hold of a part of the body. Roof, the structure forming the upper covering of a building. Then planet, a celestial body moving in an elliptical orbit round a star. Read some text and conversations about greenhouse effect. There is a picture of greenhouse for you. You can see a greenhouse that is over and up covered with glasses. Now, the earth is also like a greenhouse. During the day, earth's surface warms up in the sunlight. At night, the surface cools, but some heat is trapped by gases like carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. These gases, called greenhouse gases, work like the glass walls and the roof and keep the earth warm. This is global warming, and it is making the earth a dangerous planet for us. Now some activity for you students. Fill in the blanks from your textbook, page number 102. There are the answers for you. The first of all, 1. Greenhouse, 2. Machines, 3. Fuels, 4. Energy, 5. Carbon dioxide. 6. Heat. 7. Gases. 8. Climate. There are another activity. Change the bold words. Number 1. The sun is hot. The sun is becoming hotter. Number 2. The effects of global warming will be worse than what we can imagine. Number 3. The greenhouse makes the earth warmer. Number 4. The cyclones will be more powerful in future. Number 5. Summers may come earlier in future. In all those 5 sentences, you can see that there are some change of degrees, changing adjectives. Now there is a homework for you. Write a paragraph about greenhouse effect. Thank you all. Be conscious, be safe.